Hello again. Only a few days to go for the rest of 2017, but an awful lot of weather to get through before 2018 begins. A lot of it to do with temperature contrast. It's going to stay cold in the north, although the significant snow will tend to become less of a problem. It will, though, become increasingly mild in the south, and for all of us, bouts of wind and rain are likely. Certainly some lively weather as we began Friday. Rain from the west bumped into cold air, giving snow across Wales, parts of northern England, southern Scotland and some parts of Northern Ireland. Further south, it was windy and even some thunderstorms made an appearance first on Friday. But most of the lively weather becomes confined to northern areas by the end of Friday. A brief clearer spell of weather before the next weather system moves in from the west. This likely to bring a spell of rain and strong winds for southern coastal areas. And as it bumps into cold air, well, there's the risk for northern England, southern and central Scotland of some icy patches to begin Saturday. A cold and grey start here, but actually the rain and hill snow becomes confined to central and northern Scotland through Saturday. Sunshine elsewhere, but look at these temperature contrasts with temperatures close to freezing in the north, 13 or 14 in the south. Big temperature contrasts on the other side of the pond as well. Really cold air sinks south into the Atlantic across North America, powering an active jet stream. This fast-flowing current of air high in the sky tends to pick up areas of low pressure, deepen them and send them our way. And that's exactly what it's doing on Saturday evening. This low pressure has been named Storm Dylan by Met Éireann, the Irish Met Service, and it's likely to bring the most disruptive weather to the Republic of Ireland. But for Northern Ireland and for southern and central Scotland, we'll also see some potentially disruptive winds. Now, as we begin New Year's Eve, those wind strengths could reach 70 to 80 mile per hour in terms of gusts. Bit of uncertainty about those exact wind strengths. The strongest of the winds move through central Scotland through the day. But those kinds of wind strengths could cause disruption to transport, power supplies and even some structural damage. A yellow warning in force because of that. Further south, it's the rain through Saturday night and the early hours of Sunday that's likely to cause some issues. We've already got wet ground here, and a further inch or perhaps more across parts of South Wales and the southwest could cause further disruptive impacts, transport and again a flooding of local businesses and homes. Yellow warning in force, but the worst of the rain clears away at the beginning of New Year's Eve and we're left with blustery showers across much of the UK. The heaviest of the showers will be in the west, clearest skies in the east. And as we count down to 2018, well, it's looking windy for all of us. A strong wind to blow us into 2018, but the heaviest of the showers will be in the west, the clearest of the air in the east. Strong winds high in the sky as well as this active jet stream continues to roar across the Atlantic and develop areas of low pressure. So it's going to stay unsettled as we move into 2018. Low pressure either side of the country on New Year's Day, potentially bringing some disruptive weather to the near continent, but also some rain to the far south of England. To the north, blustery showers and increasing wind here, but in between, actually, a fair amount of decent weather to begin the new year. Temperatures close to normal, but still that marked contrast north to south. I'm sure there'll be lots more weather to talk about in the new year, but there's an awful lot going on over the next few days. So if you'd like further details on the weather in your local area or any updates on our weather warnings, you can always head to the website, you can download our app, or you can follow us on social media. Happy New Year.